Tip number 1. Hire a specialized and independent lawyer. The only professional who can correctly interpret the information and documentation of a property is a lawyer with experience in real estate law, and therefore not the real estate agent nor a gestor, who's like an accountant. So please do not try to save on these legal fees. If there are things really wrong with your purchase, then your financial loss will be way worse. Incidentally, this does not only apply to rural areas, as people sometimes think, but certainly also to houses within urban areas. Unlike being a real estate agent, being a lawyer is a protected profession, and the lawyer must always have his license and mandatory liability insurance. He therefore has a professional responsibility, but despite of that, I would always recommend that you find your own independent lawyer yourself. So don't go with the lawyer that is recommended to you by your real estate agent, as he is not independent. In addition to being safe, hiring a lawyer is also very practical, because if you issue a power of attorney through a notary, you do not have to be present in Spain during the process. Your lawyer calculates all costs and taxes and gives you tax advice, so you can determine your exact buying budget. He checks the agent's reservation contract if desired and handles all payments during the process. Also, he provides all kinds of extra services with third parties on behalf of his clients, such as applying for the NIE tax number, opening a bank account, applying for a mortgage, a valuation, a structural survey, a topographical report, rental license, and so on. However, the most crucial task of the lawyer is to carry out the legal investigation into the legality and depths. For this, he assesses all documents. He has contact with the relevant authorities, such as the land registry, cadastre, town hall, tax authorities, and so on. And he assesses whether additional deeds need to be signed. He negotiates secondary buying conditions with the seller, and this he often has an added value due to his experience and knowledge. If there is a green light after his investigation, he will draw up an extended private purchase contract to guarantee your 10% down payment until the real purchase at the notary. During completion, your lawyer ensures that all deeds are signed correctly and according to the previous agreements, such as the deeds of sale, but also mortgage deeds, new build declaration, country border corrections, and so on. Then, after the purchase, he finally takes care of all tax payments, the conversion of registrations, the service contracts and direct debits, and also the balance of retentions with the seller. And on top of that, he gives personal advice on a potential will and Spanish inheritance law. The fees for your legal representation usually are 1% plus VAT of the purchase price. If you would like to receive an example offer of the total buyer costs of a purchase within Andalusia, these are approximately about 12%, please just send me an email with your budget.